Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, I'm going to explain you that how you can install the Linux Ubuntu on your VirtualBox. For that, you need to come to your browser and search for Ubuntu download latest. And you will see the download link on the top. Simply just click on it. You will land to the download page of the Ubuntu. Simply just click on the Intel and AMD 64-bit architecture. After clicking, your download will start in just few seconds. And you can see the download of this Ubuntu ISO is now started. It is of the size 6.1 GB, so it will take some time. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so this is our ISO file. You can see the Ubuntu desktop, right? Now let's go to the VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine here, like the CentOS we have already created. Now, here let's name it Ubuntu. After that, let's select the virtual machine folder. I have created a folder here, named it virtual box, and then just select it. Done. Now let's select the ISO image. So it is what we have downloaded before, right? So let's select that also. Simply just go on the downloads and select this Ubuntu file, right? Open it, and that's it. Okay, there's one more thing required. Let's check. Everything is fine here. Okay, we need to work on this part. Okay, fine. So here we need to give the password, right? The username and the password. Let's give the password as root, and here also the same. Yes, let's change the username also. I'll name it after my name. Okay, done. Now you can simply just finish. Okay, now it is powering the virtual machine. So here just install Ubuntu, and it will take some time, right? All the configuration will be done. Let's just wait for it. Fine. So here our Ubuntu is now successfully installed, and you can see the home page or the desktop page of Ubuntu, right? This is how it looks. Now you can simply get the sidebar also, right? Okay, so this is how our Ubuntu looks. I hope you understood till now that how we do it. Now let's move forward toward understanding the other process, right? Like registering yourself. Okay, so it has started now. It has started the copying of files. Now, simply just click on the profile that we have created earlier, right? So the username is Piyush. Okay, give the password. So it is root. Okay, press enter. Let's wait. Done. Now, again, it is open now here, right? You can see now you can simply use this particular Ubuntu. Fine. Just click on the next. Location service is disabled. Next. You can choose your particular default look, right? Next. Finish. Done. So this is the complete process of downloading and installing the Linux Ubuntu on your VirtualBox. One important thing is that you need to check that your base memory is 4096 MB, right? If it is not, simply just right click on it, go to the settings, and here in the system you will find that your particular base memory is being set. If you want to change it, simply just close your virtual machine and then you can change the memory size also, right? But make sure that it is of the size more than 4 GB, right? Otherwise it will not support or it will lag a lot. Fine. I hope you understood the concept till now. This is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.